Individual rights and liberties are both in the U.S. Constitution and the Texas Constitution. Additional rights afforded to you as a Texas citizen are found in the Code of Criminal Procedure. In other words, the Code of Criminal Procedure rights complement the U.S. and Texas Constitution and in some cases afford more protection. The Code of Criminal Procedure states, in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall have a speedy public trial. It also states, trial will be by an impartial jury. As a Texas citizen, according to the Code of Criminal Procedure, you have the right to demand the nature and cause of the accusation. In other words, to know what you are being charged with. According to the Code of Criminal Procedure, you also have a right to have a copy of the written charges. The Code of Criminal Procedure states you cannot be compelled to give evidence against yourself. In other words, it protects you from self-incrimination. The Code of Criminal Procedure also grants you the right of being heard by yourself, by counsel, or both. You also have the right to confront witnesses brought forward by the prosecution. You also have the right to compulsory process. This is the power of subpoena. Finally, the Code of Criminal Procedure states no person shall be held to answer for a felony unless on indictment of a grand jury. So that's a very important distinction. The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure and the Texas Constitution give you right to indictment by grand jury for all felonies. So let's review these 9 rights provided by the Code of Criminal Procedure, many of which are duplications of those found in the U.S. and Texas Constitutions. First, a speedy public trial, an impartial jury, notice to know what you're being charged with, a written copy of the accusation, protection from self-incrimination, to be heard by yourself, counsel, or both, to confront prosecution witnesses, compulsory process, in other words, the power to subpoena witnesses to testify in your favor, and finally, the right to be indicted by grand jury for a felony.